OpenAI has just unleashed its latest creation, and this is not just another update. The ChatGPT Agent is here, and it's designed to do more than just talk. It's here to act. We're talking about an AI that can proactively use its own virtual computer to handle complex, multi-step tasks from start to finish. So, what exactly does that mean? Think of it as the ultimate digital assistant. The ChatGPT Agent combines three of OpenAI's most powerful technologies into one unified system. It has the web browsing and interaction skills of Operator, the deep-diving synthesis power of Deep Research, and the intelligent conversational abilities of ChatGPT that we all know and love. With the new Agent mode, you can now ask ChatGPT to perform real-world tasks that would normally take you hours. For example, you can tell it to plan your next vacation. The agent can browse travel websites like Expedia, find the best flights and hotels, and even book them for you. It can handle everything from filling out forms to logging into your accounts with your permission. Become your personal research analyst. Need to do a deep dive on a competitor? The agent can scour the web, read through dense reports and PDFs, and then compile all of that information into a neatly organized and editable spreadsheet or even a full-blown PowerPoint presentation. Connect with your favorite apps. You can connect the ChatGPT Agent to your Google Calendar and Gmail. You can ask it to look at your calendar and brief you on upcoming client meetings based on the latest news. It will do exactly that, giving you a personalized daily briefing. It even runs code. You can ask it to analyze business metrics, and it will write and execute the code to get you the answers you need. Of course, many people are wondering, is it safe to let an AI have this much control? That's a valid question. OpenAI has built this with user control at its core. You're always in charge. You can interrupt the agent at any time, take over the browser yourself, or stop a task completely. It will always ask for your permission before taking any major actions. You can even schedule tasks to run automatically. Want a report on the latest AI news delivered every morning? Done. Need a financial summary of your stock portfolio every Friday? No problem. The possibilities are endless. So, how does it perform? In one word, incredibly. OpenAI has tested the ChatGPT Agent against some of the toughest benchmarks out there. On a test called Humanity's Last Exam, a brutal evaluation with thousands of expert-level questions, the agent set a new state-of-the-art score of 41.6%. On the Frontier Math benchmark, one of the hardest math tests for AI, it achieved an accuracy of 27.4%, outperforming previous models. In tasks like data analysis and modeling, it's already surpassing human performance. And in spreadsheet editing, it scored more than double what Microsoft's Copilot in Excel did. As for availability, the ChatGPT Agent is rolling out now to Pro, Plus, and Team subscribers. Pro users will get access by the end of the day, with Plus and Team users getting access over the next few days. Pro users will receive 400 messages per month, while Plus and Team users will have a limit of 40 messages per month. The ChatGPT Agent is a monumental step toward a future where AI isn't just an assistant, but a true collaborator. This is the beginning of a new era in personal computing. What do you think of the new ChatGPT Agent? What's the first thing you're going to ask it to do? Let us know in the comments. And if you're excited about the future of AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next.